My name's Dave Dunsford and I've been a driving instructor for Red for 16 years. So I'm assuming you're here because you want to find out more information about how to become a Red driving instructor. So alongside the generic information you can get on websites, I'm going to give you an insight from my 16 years of experience as a driving instructor. So today we're going to be looking at the do's and don'ts to make your journey to become a Red driving instructor as smooth as possible. So first of all, it's worth mentioning there's going to be a few commitments that are going to be on your side. You're going to have to put in some time, some effort, and there's going to be a financial commitment. So luckily you can earn as you learn with Red, and that might ease some of the financial strain going through this course. So some of our cost options may allow you to recoup some of that money back once you qualify as a driving instructor. And don't forget, you'll be driving with what's widely known as one of the best national driving schools around. So the training involves 3 parts. Part 1 is about your knowledge and understanding of the highway code, and also there's a hazard perception test. The test itself lasts about 90 minutes. The pass rate is 85%, so it's quite high, so you do need to study. So this may seem a little bit overwhelming, but don't worry. Red have got experienced driving instructors who have created this online training system to help you. So this system is really good because it allows you to take as many mock tests as you like, and it'll let you know exactly where you're at with your training. So part 2 deals with your driving ability. You're going to be taking a 1-hour test at the end of it where you'll be asked to show a couple of manoeuvres, controlled stop, and there'll be a 20-minute independent drive. And that could either be following a sat-nav or it might be being asked to follow some directions. We'll give you plenty of training, so don't worry. The key to this is make sure that you're ready before you take the test. So part 3 is the fun part. This is where you get to teach a pupil, and eventually when you do the exam, it'll just mean that you take a pupil to the test and the examiner will sit in the back of the car and watch you teach. So the part 3 side of your teaching ability now will allow you to also go on a PDI licence. This will allow you to teach pupils, so you're kind of earning while you're learning, and eventually it'll get you towards your goal, which is passing that last test. Due to the shortage of instructors we have now, Red have introduced a fast track system, so that means that you can get through this part 3 even quicker. Just go onto the website and find the details. So while you're doing your part 3 training, it can become a little bit frustrating at times, but just be guided by your trainer. They'll let you know when you're ready. If you rush this and you're a little bit impatient, we're going to be taking lots of attempts. We want you to pass first time, so make sure you're ready for when you take that first test and pass first time. So I hope you found the video enjoyable and informative. If you'd like to leave any comments below, you can do, or just visit our website for more information.